Hello there, Internet. Welcome to a new video. And today, instead of doing an operating system, we are going to be doing for a Christmas present something not. Okay, so the machine translation told me this was action, adventure, classics, and whatever. Let's go with this. Oh! Can we, play? Oh shit! Flash Player 9, control. Step forward, step back. Okay. Commence. Uh... It fires the Muga rays. Press B. Commence. Oh! Oh, wait. Oh, okay, that's how. Oh, okay, then. Might be actually able to, So, why are we using the main mecha? Are they giants? By the way, this is a Decker Ranger, by the way. Wait, hold on, what does that say? What? Oh, play again! Oh! Okay, let's go play, there's no install. Oh, what the hell is this? You haven't slept in days, but you may. What the hell? What? Wait. This is This is English. Wait. Hold on. Wait. Hold on. Wait. What is this? What's going on? You have failed. You are not Slayer. What did I do again? Oh, we got sound. Oh, I'm dead. All right. Yeah. Let's. Wait. Hold on. What are we supposed to do? Oh. Okay. All right. Google. Huh? Wait. Hold on. Wait. Hold on a minute. Oh my God. There's a built-in search engine. Holy sh. Okay. So in case of a kid, just. Oh no. Um, let's go to the CD. Win games, Dragon Ball. Oh, menu. So wait, was this like a Flash site that the publisher? I don't know. Dexter's Runaway Robot. Okay, what is this? Help Dexter find his robot. Use your mouse to move from room to room. Click the Dexter icon. Items to collect. Okay, so we need. Wait, those are just okay. That's fine. Where's Dexter? Here? Oh, wait. Uh, oh. Oh, okay. Oh. Alright. Alright. Whoops. What is going on with the microwave? Someone should have some toxin. Uh-huh. Hold on, are we supposed to... Oh, wait, hold on. Uh, no, wait, hold on. What if we, uh, okay. We got both Marvel and, DC over here. Let's go check out, Marvel. Since everyone's waggle, waggle... Oh, what? What? Huh? Wait. What? Hello? Oh. Oh, oh, wait, hold on. Oh, okay. Alright, we'll do a Superman. Go, guard. Metropolis Defender. Trolls. Oh, wait. Oh, that's what you're oh, okay, so we're, hey, look, it's oh. I wonder what's domestic Odyssey! Let's go back. Go to classic. Pac-Man! Let's, easy. Back. Do we have any... Huh? While driving to a video game convention, Pac-Man's car had come to a sudden burst. Wait. When no other options in hand. Wait. Hold the fuck up. Huh? Wait. Wait. What? Huh? 3 lives left. Okay. Wait, no. Don't, oh my god. Oh my god. What are these? I am not very good at... Okay. Oh, we got 1 life left. We got one. We're dead. Ooh, Minesweeper. Don't we already have a Minesweeper? It's, going sound. Yes, we do have Minesweeper. Are we No? Are we supposed to click? Oh, okay. So you. Let's what? Huh? Was that Mal? Oh my god. Oh. Oh, let's just try again. Okay. Great. Let's go to the CD and let's go to diver oh my god. Oh. Oh, okay. So okay, that actually is quite easy. Okay, 513. That is actually. Oh, Christmas tree. See, there is a. Oh. Wait. What am I supposed to do? I guess ho ho ho. Coloring book, dog game. Oh, wait, there's more? Easy cruise, equilibrium. Granola, princess maker, shoot ball. Oh, yes, let's go balls. Carry Joel. We got two Joels. Okay. Scratch simulator. Uh, okay. Bombs away. No, bomb balloon. Rooney in the rampage. Bumper ball. Let's go to the menu and five. Strategy. Oh my god. So this is uh save Ed. Uh, what about Child Escape? What about Child Escape? Huh? There's a key. Wait, aren't keys supposed to be on the outside? So when if oh my god, this isn't quite an online game, so Lord of the Ring battle. Oh. Oh, wait, hold on. How are we supposed to? Oh, wait. Oh, okay, that makes a lot of sense. This is a game that you're supposed to play for a long time. Battle of Gondor. Games of Gondor. And I mean, yeah. I guess for daily install, I guess we can just click on PS. You know what? Let's take a look at the daily install. Nope. Let's go check out Acorn. I am not a music artist. I am a YouTuber. Let's go on old version. And let's try and download something. That actually would be pretty funny. That would actually be pretty funny. I mean, this could probably be Internet Explorer in disguise, so that could also be a thing. So our daily install is probably going to be Mozilla Firefox. You know, the most modern. Let's go grab what is the copyright date for this? No. Oh, puzzle. Oh my god. Jamaican not. Oh my god. Holy shit. Hold on. Oh my god. There's animals? Poke search. X ball. Simon. Oh. Uh. Think. Acorn. Think. You are a smartass. You are a smartass, Acorn. 27. Wait, hold on, was that I don't think you can, right? Because 16. 9 plus 9 is 18. So are you supposed to, like... Oh! No, that's 26. Oh shit, hold on, wait. 9 and 8? That's 98! Wait. Wait. Oh, 4 equals 4. So I guess we should go with... Fuck, that's... Hey, AJ, Merry Christmas. Number 15. 5, 5, 5, 1, 9. If I can clutch it, I might be able to clutch it. Oh! Uh, okay. That's fine, that's fine. Negative 905, that's fine, that's totally fine. Do we have any Tetris on here? The peg game. Rings. Oh, wait, hold on. I think I had the peg game. Hold on, I played this before. Well, that's mean. Alright, let's, play the game again. Let's go with, this. Okay, so we may or may not have lost a lot of footage, but that doesn't matter because, we don't, yes. Back. Alright, we can go back. Yeah, uh, are we okay? Yes. Mozilla Firefox, and we go all the way down to 2006, because that year, 2006. Save. This is totally fine. Standard. Yes. Alright. Now let's go, for our other daily. And so what is going on around here? Oh, wait, hold on. Oh my god, what is happening? Okay. Anyways, let's go, to our Flash, and for our other daily install, which is going to be also simple. Let's go, explore. Are these the SW? I think these are the SWF, so we're gonna check all of these to here. Fish. Just, so if you're wondering about my copying the things, yeah, no, I just lost all the footage, so... Fun times! So yeah, that's pretty much it. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you later. Peace. I am definitely in need of storage, and 200 gigabytes will not cut it.